Hi folks, and welcome back. Now let's see if this bad boy ticks over. Keys in the ignition. So basically all we're doing today is seeing if the engine can turn.
There's power up there, look.
Yep, the lights are working.
What's that solenoid on all these?
Everything's been moved on, it's all in a different place from where it used to sit.
There is it, there it is, look, there's a little devil. It's down there.
So it's moving inside.
It's not seized up.
Hey!
And it sounds like there's a bit of compression, so it might run. Yeah.
That's a good sign.
Oh yeah, they're well sold, aren't they?
Yeah, I need to take the carbs off and clean them.
Yeah.
And there's also, seen that rubber in there? It's big tear in it.
Well, that's fine, that turns over. So
Yeah, that's good.
That's me.
That's really good. Yeah, brilliant.
Let's put oil light out, so that's a start.
Well, let's hope for it, isn't it? It did sound like it wanted to there for a wee second, didn't it?
Like you said, them cabs, them slides are solids.
He's so close, isn't he?
Obviously there'll be no juice.
No, the petrol in that tank will be really old. That needs to be thrown.
Thrown in.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll ditch that, get some fresh petrol. I'll get the carbs off, get them cleaned, and I'll see if I can source another rubber end for the carb, the one that's cracked and broken. There could be an electrical fault going on as well there.
I tried to fire it, so it must be sparking.
They're not brand new plugs, they're just old ones that I had lying around. They're better than what was in it. I'm not seeing a spark there.
No.
There's no spark on that. There's no spark on that.
No.
That one's buggered.
Too bad. No spark. So
Maybe that lead's gone.
have to go through all wiring.
Yeah.
Maybe not going to them anyway.
I hope there's nothing wrong with the coils or anything like that. Because you just don't know, do you?
No, not with these all.
No. What I'll do is, because I'm going to take that tank off completely, empty it, and I'll have a look through the wiring next, as well as cleaning the carbs, etc, etc.
Anyway, that'll do us. Well,
That'll do us, yep, that'll do us now. It's a good start.
It's a really good start, yeah.
So there we go, folks. It looks like this bad boy is a runner, or at least he will be. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. See you again soon. Take care, have fun, and ride safe.